kova kwetu mberi koma hiyo penjarika neno konganda konganda uri numokara novana vita konganda mokara novanu mai kusupport wairi mwe shimwe neno kukotoka okay kuta kupe awesome good job sho hena kuwenu kukotoka osha pumba he kwa klepa ukatenga hina kusho kushavi what is it, how do you have to survive that side motho ukakungura kumiro vine shimwe no kunguro kakosa kemwe karivengo uriri please do so kusho certificate mwene ukienda poka college akemembo do that kusho ashwa kakotoka ndari yeshikonganda then you can start with that paper ukienda kumurungu po munye kuritunga mara mehingire moshina shimbehena any knowledge about, so I'm trying to give you assistance the way I can in terms of amuri hahida, don't be frustrated muurike and okuta okienda kunovikari hano vipurukithe and just being aggressive and defensive kashino shiveruke komunyo we nuno hote tuvengiri mutu novana shekonganda po tunovana shimbekangu mokuritho mwashwe mungaronjo Otjiherero mberuke mokuhena kumuna nokuhena kushusha virumwe this is what's happening or this is the effect juna yoko vana shiwe pomukara pamwe pombe kumuna konganda pomotukanithitho nganda yenu mokumono wapama kona kunash but support is there. I will leave all the description adanje. You can follow me on my YouTube or you can follow me on my Facebook page. Not yet on TikTok. Maybe we can have a conversation where we have a Zoom call. Arikane kushavi. Then we have group session. I don't know, but suicide is not an option. Self-harm is not an option. Okurikonda, whatever that is that you are doing, ovikariha, getting into aggressive behaviors, which is self-destructive behaviors. At the end of the day, you are the most important person in your life, in your storyline. Rumo support anjimo hepa uri kushavi ukaende komurungu. And I'm again really very, very sorry for all these struggles that you guys are going through. Mehiro vandu ndehero orenu. And if we can offer support, arikane reach out. Let's see what we can do to help you just breathe better. Penye vandu membe mutatu mithana ushavi hinde because you get exhausted. Shoto kuyanja shinene no hosho munu yanje. You get so drained because people don't appreciate you and people are not grateful. Monamba hakumpanjo support anjo kushavi. Don't give up. Unovinda mbio ira ko mahingo mbia kakonjera ko. And if you have to redefine your story, redefine it. Manage your story oyue. You can bring them that side, bring them and have a better future. If you can come home or do something better, Konganda, do so if you can. But let's have a conversation. This is an open conversation. I don't know how I can help from this side, but I'm really happy to be part of your healing space if possible, or try and see who I can help you with that side. Mami no koneka kum. Ogusha mba ogusha nauriri arikane. You are appreciated, you are valued, and it's not easy to leave home and still feel very homesick and home alone, and there's still nobody supporting you from this side. Okay. Take care of yourself, be kind to yourself.